Okay guys, Paul Bates here. Welcome aboard Southern Estate, where I currently live full-time with my wife Beverly and our dog Daisy. On this channel we go over product reviews of different things that make our life easier. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and smash that like button. I surely do appreciate it. Anyway, enjoy today's product review and thank you so much for watching. We definitely appreciate it. Thanks. Okay guys, so Paul Bates here, and today I want to share with you this power washer that I bought. I love this thing. I wasn't sure. It's called Hydroshot. I bought it on Amazon and I'll share the link with you down below. Make sure you hit that link if you're interested in something like this. The original purchase I did on this is Luke Princess did not have a wash down pump like this. So what I did is I bought this thing and I was able to use it to wash the chain down as we're pulling the anchor in. So I was able to use this thing for that, but it also works good for washing my decks. So I'll literally just use it on my decks. And you can see right here, I just put the hose in a fresh water bucket. So it doesn't matter if I'm in salt water, I can just put fresh water in here and then I can get rid of the salt water off of my boat just by using this right here. Also, this was a nice treat. Yesterday, I could not find a car wash anywhere. And so all I did is I thought to myself, well, what do I got that I could use? And so what I did is I just filled this bucket up right here with fresh water. And then I filled up another bucket with my brush and my soap in it, and then I went out to my truck and then I just hit this with hit the pressure washer, hit my soap bucket, brushed off my truck, and then just rinsed it off with this right here, right out in the middle of the parking lot, because this is all cordless right here. So it was just awesome. Also, the battery life on this thing, we started America's Great Loop 5 months ago. I don't say that I use it every single day, but I've probably used it 10 times. And I've only charged the battery one time, so it seems like the battery does have a good life in it. Anyway, if you're interested in the product, I'm going to leave the link down below. Make sure you hit that link right there and purchase it on Amazon, because it sure does help the channel. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and if you got any questions, man, please leave a comment down below. We'll get back to you as quickly as we possibly can. Anyway, peace out. Thank you guys. Live life with no regret. Thanks. Bye.